VUDU garage. Behind me today we've got Carter's car. It's a stage 1 plus going all the way up to a stage 3 VT330R. We have got a list of parts. Nick will run through.
Yeah, I'm going to use this list because I don't actually know what we're doing here. So giggling from behind the car. So essentially, I mean, we all know what stage 3 kit is, but this includes the VT330. We're having a VUDU manifold put on there as well, which I believe Elliot's already put on the car, the turbo, the manifold.
Forward manifold.
It's having a Cobra, Catback and a VUDU downpipe. The TAROX big brake kit. And you having to put space on?
Yeah, space is all round.
So space is all round. We're going to flick up some cinematic footage of the parts now, so you know exactly what's going on this car. We'll cut back to some more talking later in the dyno when we get the opportunity to see what figures it's doing. Cell now with this stage 3 build that we've been doing today. I'm going to list at the side of me a long list of modifications rather than reeling them all off because I'll be here forever. The car has run 305 feet-pounds of torque and 300 wheel horsepower, which is incredible given that it's quite warm today, so usually we would expect to see a little bit less than that. We're actually going to knock the boost down a little bit because it's doing around 1.87 and we want that to do about 1.85. So Callum behind me is on with doing that now. We're expecting to see probably a drop off of about 5 wheel horsepower now. There's some heat in the car and the boost has dropped down, so but I mean a consistent 295 wheel horsepower in this sort of temperature is incredible. If you want to talk to any of the sales team about potentially going, you know, stock right through like this gentleman's done from his stage 1 plus car, or you want to do you know, bits and bats, feel free to give them a call. Like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing as many updates as I possibly can. Yeah, and we look forward to seeing you in the future.